friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Agya Matthew, and in this video I'm going to show you an interesting project on 14th project of ESP32 Basic Starter Kit. Are you excited? So let's start. For this project we need ESP32 development board, servo motor, LCD display, breadboard, jumper wires, LED and resistor. I have connected servo motor with ESP32, yellow wire with GPIO 13, red wire with VIN, brown wire with GND. Then I have connected LCD display with ESP32, GND with GND, VCC with VIN, SDA with GPIO 21, SCL with GPIO 22. Then I have connected LED with ESP32, long leg with GPIO 14 with resistor, short leg with GND. Arduino IDE, I have already done coding, so I'll give the code in description. So let's see the code. In line number 7, just change your SSID, and in line number 8, just change your password. So now I'll show you the demonstration. Now I will upload the code. Now the code is successfully uploaded. Now you can see this IP address in LCD display. You can use this IP address in your mobile. So now I will take you to my mobile. Now I am in my mobile. So now I will go to Chrome browser and type 192.168.1.88. So now you can see this interface. So now I will slide the slider to maximum 180 degree. So now you can see when I slide the slider to 180 degree, the LED will glow and display shows maximum 180 degree. Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Bye bye.